So this came in the mail today. This is the tow hook license plate relocator for the BRZ. My license plate on the BRZ is, I have it on the dashboard, and it kind of moves a lot and it makes a lot of noise when I'm up in the freeway. So I wanted to get this. Hopefully, well, it should be stable. I see a lot of people do a lot of videos on this and not installing it. So here's the look of it on the box. I'm put it on the link below just in case you guys want to buy it. It's like $20. Pretty cheap, you know. I just, as long as it does the job, that's all I care about it. So once you open the box, you should have this this giant nut, I think, bolt. And then you have this, the pretty like sturdy material. You have these nuts too, and the frame itself. So let's get to it. So here's where I have my license plate, and I want to relocate it over here. Alright, so we're gonna pop this thing off, you know, get your flat hand, put it on with microfiber towel so that you won't scratch your little mustache in the bumper, and just pick it on there, and should come off now. There you go. So then you get this piece, right, this big piece, and then you thread it onto the little hole inside there. Let's see if the cameraman can get there. Yeah, you put it right there. Let's see. Oh man, this is actually pretty small. They go in here. I'm like, give me a second. So I ended up using a ratchet with the 19 socket and an extension, so they won't be loose anymore. So now we just get this part right here, and we open it. Here we go. You get this part, you put it on here. If you look at that, easy. And then you get this part right here, and you know, you could just choose where you want it, here, or you know, you get many varieties. I'm not sure which nut to get though. Okay, I have an idea. I think I know which one now. So this is the one that stands out the most. So this is the one I'm gonna use. They give us one washer, but I'm not sure what to do with the washer. I'm not sure if we use it on this part. I think we do. So I'm gonna put it on here, just like this. Oh shit! I'm gonna get a new bumper. Fuck it. There you go. So make sure it has a little bit of you know, the little grip, and then from here I guess you just check it out where you want it to be. Let's check if it's straight. See? Okay, so in the video, this is present Daniel, you know, future Daniel, I mean. In the video I said to put the washer in first, and then put the black plate on there, and then screw in the nut. Well, that's what I did in the video, but that was a big no-no. Do not do that. Put the black plate in first, and then put the washer after, and then put the bolt straight through the plate. Because when I decided to do it the other way, as in the video, the license plate is still wobbled around a lot. Right now, it's much more stable. So yeah, do that instead. So as you can see, it's under pretty tight, kind of a little bit loose, but not too loose. Okay, so cameraman gave me a good point. So the reason why that one stood out the most is because you can see this one is flat and this one is kind of round. There you go. And now you just get your license plate and you put them on there, and you put the little nut behind it and you tighten it, and then you should be good to go. So Yeah, so I'm using a 10 millimeter, you know, to hold on to the back nut. I'm twisting it right here with the Allen wrench, and that's how you basically tighten these nuts. And after that, you know, you should be done. And that, my boys, is how you install the wire tail hook license plate. I know you guys could do it, so you know, buy it if you guys really need it. Easy work, you know. Difficulty 2 out of 5 or 2 out of 10, whatever. It's pretty simple. I didn't get cut or anything. I recommend. I mean, well, I don't know if it's gonna turn, but like so far, you know, the installation is easy and the material is good quality. So, save, might as well $20 cheap.